Alright, once you've signed in, what you'll do is you'll go to New Assignment, and you're going to upload the electronic copy of your worksheet. So you go to Upload and Transform, click on the arrow obviously. Alright, here's my test review that I'm going to use with my students. Remember, I need them to do this worksheet, but I don't want them to have to write their work with pencil and paper and me grade it all. That just takes too much time, too much effort. It's Valentine's Day, I don't have time for that. So what I'm going to do is, here's the worksheet, here's the electronic copy, here's what they see when the students log in. Okay, there's three possible answers for this. Now, if you want them to show their work, obviously you can have them turn in their worksheet just so you can just check their work only, but essentially what you're testing for is they know, are these right, acute, or obtuse triangles? Well, what you can do is you can click right here. Okay, you're adding a question. This is a question. Okay, it's short answer. You don't have to type anything though for type your question here because the question's already up there. So you don't have to worry about typing anything there. You just add the correct answer. So the correct answer is acute, right? Maybe you want to add another correct answer. Maybe they didn't capitalize it. Acute. So those are the two correct answers, right? Done. Whenever they enter this mode, click on the worksheet, they'll click on number 1. They'll say acute and it's correct, or if they say something else, it's not correct, right? So it'll grade it for you. You can do that for all 4 of those, right? This one says find the perimeter of the following shapes. So let me click. So for like number 5, you would click right there. Here's number 6. I'm going to click right there. Say add question. This is a short answer, right? Again, you don't have to type the question because the question's already right there. If you get them in the mode of doing this, it may be confusing at first, but once you get in the habit of this, man, it really takes a lot of time away from your plate. All right, here's the correct answer. The correct answer is, 56. Okay, that's it. Done, right? Next question. Let me do one right down here. Here's an x and a y, right? They have to solve for x and y. So I'm going to add a question. I'm going to do a short answer. I'm going to say, write your answer in the form x comma y. So the correct answer will be maybe x is 4 and y is -3. That's the correct answer. Maybe another one would be 4 comma -3 if they don't put the parentheses. Done, right? So you can do that for all these problems and it just grades it right there for you, checks it for you, gives them feedback. Here's a graph. Here's another thing you can do, right? You can click add a question. Maybe this time I want to add a multiple choice, right? So I can say, okay, and again, you don't have to type the question because the question is already there. You can say A, x is 3, x is -2, that one, x is 5. This is the correct answer. You can add plenty more if you want. There's the correct answer. All right, easy. Okay. Let's see, this one is about a ladder. They need to show their work. Maybe you want to give them a place to show their work. So do the plus button. This time add content. Maybe you just do an image. Here's an image. You can add an image of a ladder so they can see that. Here's a text block explaining other things. You can do a canvas. So like in other words, you can add a picture. Here's the ladder right here. And this is beautiful. I'm really good at drawing. But you can kind of draw a picture for them so they can see that. Right? So here's x. Here's y. Anyway, be creative. Sorry, here's y. Be creative in what kind of questions you can add. The last thing that I think is the most powerful thing you can do with this is at the top. Maybe they forgot how to do this content when they get home. Click on plus. Do add content. You can add a YouTube video, right? So click on YouTube. You can search. Okay, this is about angles, right? Click on angle. It's going to search. Let me see. You can do that again. Okay. If you type that in, it's going to search all the videos. I think it picked one for me. But here's all the videos about angles. You can pick up whichever one you want that would fit this content and put it right there in there for the students to watch, right? So not only do they have a video, they have questions they can click on and submit their answers. It takes work away from you. It's probably more enjoyable and easier for them. And I think this is something that really any subject can do and really cuts down the time necessary to provide that important feedback to students. So thanks for watching and let me know if you have any questions. All right.